Hey guys, today let's talk about the Ambrane Capsule 10K power bank. Power banks have quickly become an essential part of our daily lives simply because we all rely on our smartphones so much and most of them have trouble lasting the entire day when it comes to the battery life. So power banks are a quick and easy way to make sure that your phone is always charged and always ready for any calls you may have to make or any urgent business that you may have to tend to. Ambrane's Capsule 10K is one option that's available in the market. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery power pack, and let's just quickly go ahead, open it up and see what it has to offer. And we can also take a look at exactly what sort of features it has to offer and whether it's a suitable purchase for you or not. So taking the box out, there's actually a marketing material. There's some instruction manual over here. The power bank itself is in a neat little plastic wrap, and in addition to this you also get a micro USB cable to charge the power bank. There you go. So that's the micro USB cable. So we have a white color power bank with a black colored micro USB cable. That's all right. Honestly, micro USB cables are a dime a dozen, so it doesn't really matter what color they are. But overall, the packaging of this thing is very neat and it's super minimal. Let's just take this plastic wrap off as well, and I'm going to give you a closer look at exactly what all you can expect from this. So this is the power bank itself. It has this little sticker over here, 3D holographic sticker. This essentially makes sure that it's not been tampered with and that you haven't opened this up, because that's something you're not supposed to do. There's a 4 LED indicator over here which basically tells you how much charge is left in the power bank. This is actually very helpful because you don't want to be caught on a day where you've picked up your power bank, you plug in your phone and the power bank is already dead. So these 4 LED indicators actually help you figure out how much charge there is in the power bank itself. Right now, since this has come right out of the box, it's completely discharged. In addition to that, we have 2 USB type A ports. This is where you plug in your device, and this micro USB port is actually here to charge the power bank itself. So the output on the power bank on each of these ports is 5 volts and 2.4 amps, which puts it at about 15 watts worth of charging power, and the micro USB port can accept up to 5 volts 2.1 amps, giving this charger a capacity of 10 watts at which it can charge back right up. So in terms of power output, this is actually fairly standard. Most power banks do give anywhere between 15 to 18 watts of power and do accept about 10 watts of charging power as well. This is completely consistent with the many other 10,000 milliamp hour power banks that are out there in the market. The finish on this is actually pretty nice. It's got rounded edges, so it's not going to feel sharp. It's not very heavy. It's about 230-240 grams, and overall the finish on this thing is pretty neat. It doesn't feel cheap, although maybe the black color variant would look a little nicer. White does tend to get dirty quicker, but it's going to come down to personal preference whether you prefer a white one or a black one. Maybe you want to color coordinate with the smartphone that you're using. That's going to be up to you. But this is a quick look at the Ambrane Capsule 10K power bank and the accessories that it comes with, which is essentially just a micro USB cable so that you can charge the power bank up as and when needed. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully it's been helpful in making you decide whether this is a product that's worth your time and money. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.